Hi everyone, we have a special off-week mini episode today.
We went on the Bremer Canyon Orca expedition with Naturalist Charters, and we just couldn't wait to share it with you all. We got into Bremer Bay with a couple of days to spare. We figured a trip to the local brewery was a must. Alrighty, getting ready for the orca tour today. Fingers crossed we'll be able to show you guys some awesome orcas later. It's summer in the south of Australia, so we're packing for every eventuality. Alrighty, here we go. We've got our sunscreen, we've got our winter jackets, got our raincoats, scarves, muesli bars, water.
They tell you on the tour to make sure you pack for every occasion, so warm clothes, beanies, things like that. Don't have any beanies. I know we should, we're from Melbourne, but we're here for the warmth, right? We were super excited to get to the tour, but we kept our expectations in check. Orcas are wild animals, and there's no guarantee they got the invite. We had to travel 50 nautical miles across the ocean shelf to reach orca habitat. The marine biologists on board have plenty of interesting information to keep us entertained, and during the tours, they collect important data on the orca pods.
After 2 hours aboard, we spotted something in the water. There was a collective gasp as we all rushed to the side of the boat. A friendly seal. Very cute, but not the main event.
We'd been above Bremer Canyon, orca territory, for another 2 hours. No sign of the guests of honor. Maybe Lady Luck stayed home today.
Then, is that a fin? And another? Orcas! Fashionably late. At first they pretended to be shy, but as another couple of pods arrived, they came over for a good look, even swimming right under the boat. Incredible.
On the journey back, just when we thought the day was over, we got an honor guard into the harbor.
Next level awesome. Well, that was a really big day.
Absolutely trashed. And a bit windblown.
Yeah, it's we saw orcas, yay! We tried really hard to get some good footage. I've got no idea if we did or not, but I really hope we did, and then we get to share it with you guys. It was really difficult being so choppy, trying to keep the camera still, but we got to see orcas. Really hoping to show you some of them, and yeah, it was absolutely amazing.
Really big day. It's a good couple of hours just to get to the spot where they normally hang out. The orcas were magnificent, and yeah, they kind of look like dolphins from a distance, but when they get close to you, you can tell it's not a dolphin.
Well, it is a dolphin technically, but yeah,
it's not a bottlenose. Yeah, they're massive. Yeah, the seas were rough. A lot of people were really ill on the boat. I reckon 1 in 4 people were.
Oh, it was a third of the boat was sick.
Yeah,
and I mean, really loudly, violently sick all day. They were either asleep or sick, all of them.
Poor things. Yeah,
I felt so bad for them.
So
they
bad.
Just,
by the time we actually got to the orcas, they weren't really up for much more than just curl up in a ball.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Or lying on the floor.
So
it was, yeah, they were. I just felt really terrible for them.
So if you're thinking about doing this and you do have motion sickness, just stock up on the best pills for sickness you can get.
Yeah.
You will need them absolutely, and the seas are often rough here. So yeah, the way back was really good though, really good, nice and gentle. So
we were, I mean, just really lucky. Like we didn't have any seasickness pills, and we weren't unwell or anything. So you know,
there was a couple of moments when I go, oh yeah, I really need to be standing up and looking at the horizon, or you know, or the tummy's going to do something weird. But no, not too bad.
Yeah. I love being out on the water. It was amazing day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have you been on a tour to see orcas in the wild? Or have you been lucky enough to see them on your own ocean adventure? Let us know in the comments.
And if you enjoyed this episode, like it, subscribe to our channel. It's free and it keeps us motivated to do more of these videos. Thank you and see you next time.
Thanks everyone. Bye.